This is Vishal, and welcome to the Apps on Word. And this is the word where we have knowledge about your Swift, Android, maths, any kind of maths for the BCA, MCA, and BTech students. And as we are on continue on the Swift session, this is our second session in which we have to describe to you how we make custom UI table view. As on the first session, I described to you that how to make UI picker view custom. So now today we have to see that how we make our custom view UI table cell UI table view. So that's the most important in our apps. We can use these mostly a list view. So that is we called your UI table view in your Swift iOS. So we'll describe you as on the Xcode. Open the Xcode and say file new. That's our project, and under the project we have a single view application and give the name to that UI table view custom. Give the name, create this, and first we go for that the main storyboard. On a main storyboard, these are view controller. Drag the UI table view here, and if you want to make the constraint, you can also apply the constraint there, otherwise leave it. And in this is the complete table view, and I have two prototype cells which go for the prototype cells, and there you have to put it at 1. And if you want to height more, you can make it up to 68, 70, or as you want it here. Okay, now we need identifier for this cell. So put the identifier of the cell is custom cell. When you click on this cell, and here this is your custom cell. And also we need an outlet for this table view first. So go for this assistant editor and create an outlet as in a table view. So easy. So first we make it a simple table view, then we customize it. So how we make a simple table views? For that we need array to show the string values in it. Say table view array, and give the name to that first, second, third, fourth. And as I want some functions of delegate related to your UI table view, so what we have to do for that, you just simply make a outlet for this data source and delegate for the table view. Just click it to this yellow clip, that is view controller. You drag that outlet and see data source and delegate. You have to click on both. Now it become like this, both on dots. Okay, this both filled with dots here. That means these resources we can use on our table view. Okay, now here for the delegates we need UITableview delegate and UITableview data source. So easy. So here's the error for to showing that we need some mandatory methods, and that mandatory methods be of func table view So as we need a cell, so we have to put the code for that. Func table view, number of rows in section, how much we have to return. We need to return as in table view array dot count. So again we have a number of rows in our section, and here we need to return a cell. So say let cell, let your custom cell or say simple cell as UITableview cell, and say table view dot dequereusable cell. Only with identifier. And what was the identifier? Identifier as, click on this main storyboard, this is your cell, this is the custom cell. Copy and paste this cell name here and say as UITableview cell and return this cell here. So that means all are fine. Now we have to show this cell here with the okay, this is the optional, so we can make it as the salon with exclamatory sign. So here we have to show these table array values on your cell. So say cell dot text label dot text is equals to your table view array, and in table view array we have index path dot row. So easy. Now we have to run this and see just a simple table view works. Then if it works, then we make it custom. It's building this application, and now it is on the running phase. Yeah, so you can see this first, second, third and fourth views as an UI table. So what about this if you make it a customization? Just like I want to be a image and description of the text and these kind of stuffs on my table view array. So as on very simple, go to the filter again and say UI label, and UI label, drag this label here inside the cell. Because it's a name, so we make it a little bold, say make it a semi bold, and just yeah, that's fine. And one more label for the description if you want to give some description as we give in our apps. So say and down the fonts, it's 12, it's fine, 13, it's fine, okay. And if you want to show some image view also, so you can put it on image form. Yes, check the size first, make the width and height same as 65 and 65. Okay, so for this we need a custom view class to represent or create an outlets for this cell. So just click here as in a new file, go to the Cocoa Touch class, and so next, and here it is, drag it and you can see it in UITableview cell, and give the name to your cell as custom table view cell or as any class as you want, and then create it. Okay, so easy. Go to the main storyboard, see on the right side the recent files. Here come to your custom table view cell. Okay, and drag create an outlet for this, but at this time it never be created because it never recognize the class here. So go click on the cell, particular cell, and in your class put it as custom table view cell. Okay, and now drag this image view, and we can create outlet, and outlet be your image view. So easy. There's your label, and we give the name label, and this here also we can put it as an description label. Okay, that's fine. Now again come on your view controller. As we have images of as described in a UI picker view, we have 4 images, cartoon images for the boy, dog, cat and girl. So I'm putting the same, say dog, cat, boy, girl. These are your label names, and for a description label we make one more array in which we can say DESC, description array. For the description we can put it, this is a dog. Copy, paste it, paste it, paste it. Okay, and for table view images we need one more array. Give the name to them as in our images, dog, cat, boy and a girl. These 4. So how we can show to this as a custom view form. So say go to the on your this cell for a row at index function, and make it as let cell be your, take it custom table view cell as in our class name, as in custom table view cell, and do the same thing here, custom table view cell instead of UITableview cell. Okay, so here, yes, replace it, cell dot our name label, dot text is equals to, copy this table view array here, and the second function, second table cell value be your DS label. So put it here, and description be, we need it here. Okay, for the images, what to do for that? Say cell dot, this is our image view, dot image as an UI image names as our table view images. Under the bracket we have an index path dot row. That means on a particular values on particular cell. So these be, but we need images for that, so go for the images first. Here I have an images. Take all the images here and put it on your assets. Finish. Okay. So we have a table view array in which we give the name to them, and on each cell we assign the values. Then on the second we have our descriptions for that cell and also be images, and all this be on your our custom table view cell. So run this. Okay, so you can see as in the dog, there's a dog, cat, boy, and the girl. So I think it's a very easy stuff for who want to be, beginner in your Swift and who want to make this kind of custom apps. So it's good to try these tutorials, and thank you so much. We shall be here on our next video. Thank you again.